Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to run DeepSeek coder locally. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is set up your Python environment, install Python, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. It's recommended to use Python 3.8. You can download Python from the official website, set up a virtual environment like open a terminal or command prompt, and then create virtual environment. Now step 2 is to install dependencies. Install required libraries like install Hugging Face library and PyTorch to load and run model, and additional dependencies like if you need other dependencies for your specific setup, you can install them as needed. Third step is to download and load the DeepSeek coder model. Load the model from Hugging Face, and then step 4 is to run the model, run your Python script, and then test code generation. And step 5 is to fine tuning or customization. Fine tune the model if you want to tailor the model for a specific coding tasks, change model version if you want, and then lastly troubleshooting out of memory errors. Running large models like DeepSeek coder may require a machine with a decent amount of RAM or GPU. If you face memory issue, consider using a similar model or running the script on a cloud environment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.